clear every piece. We start from the ground up.
Strip the shell, hands humming, every barnacle, every flake.
Pressure on. Wash 70 years away. Grind it down to clean steel.
Down with the old roof glory. Frame must breathe.
Got it clean back, nothing rotten stays.
Inside must be sterile before we build.
Cut out the dead steel, make room for the new.
Weld her bones back together.
Smooth every seam, she must be sea-tight.
She'll hang strong again, chain by chain.
Strip the eyes a cell. New glass comes next.
Frame the windows, let the sea look in.
Clean her belly. That's where the sea bites hardest.
Seal the belly public. No leak survives this weld. Sand her skin smooth the pellet. Paint needs a true surface. Prime her pattern. First armor against the salt.
Fill every scar and plate. She deserves a flawless skin.
Build her bones inside, strong and true.
Wrap her warm, keep the sea out, the comfort in.
Rails up Christley. She'll never lose a soul overboard.
Raise her crown, the shape of a new shelter.
Glass goes in. Sky becomes ceiling.
Eyes of the boat tamed, set them clear.
Power lines in, she'll have a heartbeat soon.
Water in, water out way, she'll breathe like a home.
Her colors return, same soul, new strength.
Seal her shines away, let the sun see her again.
Crisp lines to Coit. Every detail tells her story.
Give her name back, Tiag. She's earned it.
Lay the deck. Warm wood under every step. Oil the grain grained. Let the wood breathe gold. Line her walls, los duck. Comfort starts here.
Dress her walls, warmth in every grain. Hang her stars delitio, soft light for soft nights.
Floor her firm terstra. Every footstep steady.
Build her bones of comfort, rinsing. Shelves, seats, and storage.
Stone on wood. Her kitchen takes shape. Tile her bath, small luxuries, deep comfort. Brass and steel a deal. Every fitting a finishing touch. Clear her windows, but lounging, she'll see the horizon again. Soft seats inside, she becomes a home.
Lay the bed, let her cradle dreams again. A table for two to pack, where the sea joins dinner.
Layer the comfort, softness over strength.
Shelves of memory. Every voyage leaves a mark.
Anchor set, she can choose where to rest.
Give her motion, quiet power for calm waters.
A step to the sea, Tormillo. Easy in, easy out.
Deck lounge ready.
Padutu.
Sunsets have a seat.
Sun on her crown, her own power source.
Lights on her path coalescing. She'll never sail blind.
Let there be light, her soul wakes up.
Every detail in place to Pulai. She's almost home.
Wax her skin, let her catch the light.
Clear the sight, she's ready for water. Float her free, and the sea welcomes her back.
She's anchored. Her new life begins.
Bring her final breath, the lay, life on her deck.
Set her stage, every corner inviting.
Light her candles, she's ready to host.
Last polished decker. Let her shine her own way.
Step away, she stands on her own now. 70 years of silence, broken by beauty.
From wreck to wonder, she found her purpose.
Inside her, the sea becomes a window.
Every corner whispers comfort. She breathes again, Trifine. Quiet, proud, restored.
Where she was forgotten prey, now she belongs. Her light returns to the sea.
A floating villa leering, a beacon reborn.
From the sky, see what care can rebuild.
70 years lost, one restoration found.
She sails into her second life.
From rust to refuge, her story complete.
Where she rusted when, now she reigns.
70 years abandoned. But who? One chance to live again. A lifeboat once forgotten Peru, now a home that floats forever.